Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is Monday, November 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down $10.39. That's 5.01%. Closed at 197.08. Post market, we are down by 8 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we were staying above 205.16. 205.16 was our support. It was our support. It has been our support, I would say, since October 14. We had a little bit of a move down without closing lower than 205 on October 24th. So we went down and then closed back up, and then things recovered a little bit. But now what happened today is that we closed below 205.16. So this is invalidating the support at 205.16. And we don't have stochastic. Stochastic is not over 60 and everything. Tesla should be continuing to fall down. If we go look at the 1 hour chart to see how it happened during the day. So the first candle of the day set the tone. So big red candle. This is where most of the move happened. It was hard to make money here on the 1 hour chart after waiting for this 1 hour candle to finish. The only way to make money on this would have been to look at the 5-minute charts. After the first candle on the 5-minute chart, we had the stochastic at 10. So stochastic was lost, but we could have argued that this is not a clean break of 205. So then waiting another 5 minutes gave us the clear break signal. And then the stock went down, did a little bit of a pullback, and then continued down to approximately 198. And now for the last 10 minutes today, we are even losing 198. This is not boding well for Tesla, I would say. Look at this here on the 1 hour chart. So we could be heading further down with Tesla. We have another support at 181. So it's not impossible that we could go down there eventually. Take a look at my VIX Dow Jones, the video that I will be posting right here, because what is happening right now is that the VIX is not doing so bad. The indices, the stock indices are going up, and Tesla is really going down quite hard. So really, this is Tesla related. This is not stock market related. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.